Life was tough. 33 ako noong nag-decide ako na mag-retire ako pagdating ko ng 40. A few months before my 40th, I felt secure. I did it. What's weird was, I was able to achieve my biggest goal, but I was unhappy. I was depressed. I was mad. I was horrible. This time, hindi na problema sa negosyo yung kailangan kong solusyonan. Yung sarili ko na. This journey forced me to revisit my past sufferings, resentments, and traumas. Mix yung emotions. Yung iba, nakakagaang ng loob. Yung iba, ginising yung mga natutulog kong lungkot at galit. Napakarami kong pinagdaanan para makuha yung mga sagot sa mga tanong ko. Baka familiar ka sa quantum healing hypnosis, natal reading, energy healing, at napakaraming meditations. Pati nga yung mga namatay na, binalikan ko, pati yung past lives ko. Sobrang dami pala ng mga ibinaon ko sa limot na takot at galit. Yung mga mahal ko sa buhay, yung society natin, lahat sila pinayagan ko na pagbuhin yung pagkatao ko. Kaya hindi rin ako naging totoo sa sarili ko. Tapos, naging manhid talaga ako. Sabi nga nila, wala akong puso. A lot has transformed in the past 2 years. I'm now happier, authentic, maswerte ako kasi may opportunity ako for healing. I promise to share with you my truest journey. As I transform, I hope you recover yourself too. Let's heal together. Join me in Transform Media